Sales organizations understand the power of culture. They hold team building events. They read the books on how culture eats strategy for lunch. They listen to pundits. But sometimes I think we're making this a little bit more difficult in corporate America than it needs to be. Perhaps it boils down to instilling one simple habit. That habit? Gratitude. Now, I can see some of the eyeballs rolling out there. Please lower your eyeballs and listen to the findings from a recent study from the Journal of Positive Psychology. They surveyed 500 adolescents, and not surprising, they found that the adolescents that demonstrated more gratitude had better relationships with their peers. Because grateful people are likable people, and at the root of building trust in relationships is likability. It's good for business. Because when we demonstrate or receive gratitude, it activates the reward center in your brain, releasing that feel-good hormone of dopamine, which is addictive. It's the reason we overeat and overdrink. So let's use dopamine for good. Sales managers, you're pretty hard-charging types. Maybe it's time to take a recess and write a note of thanks to members of your team, not for hitting their quota, but for being good human beings, showing up to work, working hard, great attitudes, playing with other members of the team well. Salespeople, time to take that recess as well and write a note of thanks to the other departments that are helping you with the sale after the sale. Customer service, warehouse, accounting. If you want a great sales culture, it might be as simple as instilling the one simple habit of gratitude. I'm Colleen Stanley. Thanks for joining me today.